Many people dream of a profitable business that serves customers all over the world. If you are one of them, this information is exactly what you need. Dropshipping is the business that provides equal opportunities to everyone. It doesn't matter whether you are an islander or a resident of a busy metropolis. If you want to secure a better future for yourself and your family, you can easily set up an online business that will bring you money at any point of the globe. You don't need to manufacture products or to buy them from someone in advance and stock them, paying all related expenses. All you need is stable internet access and an online store. Starting here, your business journey begins. Let's see how dropshipping business model works in simple 6 steps. Step 1. Find an online supplier who has the products you want to sell. Step 2. Show the supplier's products with marked up prices on your website and advertise them. Step 3. Receive direct payment from the customers who buy from your website. Step 4. Redirect the orders to your suppliers and pay them their original price, keep the profits to yourself. Step 5. Do nothing, the supplier will ship the order directly to your clients. Step 6. Repeat. Find more products and suppliers if you like, and enjoy greater earnings. As a Honduran resident, you have lots of benefits that let you start this business smoothly and quickly. Stable internet access and prevalent smartphone usage let you stay in touch with your suppliers and customers 24/7 and guarantee a brilliant business performance. World's major payment gateways, such as PayPal and 2Checkout, are available in Honduras, which is why you can safely receive and manage your well-earned profits. Unique economic, social, and cultural environment lets you learn more about the life and issues of various social and ethnic groups, and tailor your offers to various customer segments. So, there is nothing that would stop you from launching a money-making business that breaks geographic boundaries and lets you run your venture on a global scale. How would you like the idea of selling products to customers widely spread across the world, and staying in the comfort of your own home? If you're born and raised in Honduras, it doesn't mean that you must target your business in this country only. Yes, Honduras is more than just your homeland. It's a developing South American country with great economic and social potential. However, why limit yourself to a narrow customer segment if you can easily contact any client from any point on the globe? The dropshipping business model lets you deal with buyers across the world, whether it be a student from the Netherlands, or a housewife from the USA, or a citizen of any other developed country. There, the infrastructure is perfectly optimized for e-commerce. So, you can enjoy both easy business management and a healthy profit level. Launch your online store with AliDropship and become a 100% owner of a profitable business. AliDropship is the world's #1 dropshipping business platform that provides you the WordPress plugin and customized store creation service at very affordable price. Create your own dropshipping store with the most powerful plugin for WordPress. Or let the AliDropship team create a store for you. AliDropship's unique solutions are creating a wave of buzz with dropshippers just like you. Whether you're a total newbie or a seasoned expert with a multi-million-dollar turnover, AliDropship has the exact solution you're looking for. When you invest in AliDropship plugin, you can easily build your own professional AliExpress dropshipping store. The plugin offers all the features you'll need to build your own highly profitable business. The best thing about AliDropship is, unlike other dropshipping platform, AliDropship lets you enjoy the 100% ownership. Whether you build it yourself or have AliDropship build it for you, you will have full ownership of your dropshipping empire. You keep all the profits and have complete control over your store. And AliDropship doesn't limit you on the number of products you can have or the monthly sales you can get. Even if you have tens of thousands of products and millions of orders, you pay no extra fees. And AliDropship has a wide range of high-quality services to help you succeed through every phase of growth. AliDropship offers free personal support for every solution you order, so you'll always have them as your secret weapon. Are you ready to start your dropshipping business today? The link is in the description below. Go to the description, click the link and start your dropshipping journey today.